How to see who shared your reel on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to see who shared your reel on Instagram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram with your account, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here, tap on video to watch your every posted reel, and from here, you'll have to just choose your reel here. Alright, so after you choose your reel, you'll be able to see these options like share icon just at the bottom right corners. So right now, here is no any share. So in some cases, you might be seeing these options like share at the bottom right corner. So like in this video, the share is 8125. So in my case, there is no any shares. So this is the way to view the share number from here. So there is no any options like you can see who shared your Instagram reel. So there is no any option. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.